we had a decent point guard rotation, but maybe not a championship winning point guard rotation. Compare mo na lang yung point guards natin to UP. I would say that, diba, alam naman, hands down consensus sila yung better point guard rotation. But yet, we managed to keep in step with them in all of the
Correct.
5 games. So, I would say that they did their best. I think Ramiro, had he arrived earlier, he would have adjusted more to the style. David, he's good. And he showed that, diba? Mythical 5 contender guy. Problem lang siguro is, syempre, I don't recall him becoming a lead then to
Yeah.
a championship team. Like, nung nag-champion sila, diba, it was Maymay is the star and he's the backup. So, syempre, naput din siya sa spotlight na hindi siya ganun kasanay. And he took it. He didn't shy away from it.